Hello friends, how are you? I am Salango. Today I am going to show you how to use pen command. Okay friend, basically we are using a pen command to move over drawing sheet. Then we have much and more method to use that. First method is by use of middle mouse button, and the second method is by use of navigation toolbar, and third way is by use of command prompt. So we will start first method by use of middle mouse button. First, I will do that. I will press middle mouse button and hold it for a moment whenever we have to paint of drawing sheet. Okay friends. So let's do this. So now I'm going to press middle mouse button to use pen command. Whenever we use this command, the cursor shape will change into close hand shape. Okay friends, so let's start. For example, the cursor move upward, the drawing sheet also move upward, and the cursor move downwards, then the drawing sheet also move downward direction. So whenever we are using this pen command, we can start pen any all direction of drawing sheet. We can move right side, it will go is right. When we move left side, it will move left. Okay friends, first important thing to know, by use of pen command, drawing sheet will move, not drawing object. Okay, so remember it, the drawing sheet always move and drawing object will not move like this. See, the drawing sheet is movable but the object is same position. Okay, and one more things, by use of this method, drawing sheet will move whenever cursor position is will be available at this pressing middle mouse button. Now we will discuss about second method by use of command promote. First we will type P in the command bar. So command bar is here, we will type P. Then we have so many option here like pen, polygon, parallel, offset, enter. But we will use only the pen command. So we will press or left click on the mouse on pen option, and and when we press enter pen command, we will start. But now it doesn't work, but the command pen command is applied, but it will not work, the drawing sheet will not movable. So if we need to use that command, we have to press and hold left click of the mouse and use it wherever we want to use. Okay friends, now one more thing, before applying to use the pen command, cursor shape was in arrow, and after that when we take this command, the cursor shape changed into a open hand, and the applying time the cursor shape will change into closed hand. Okay friend, like this. Okay, if the open hand, that means the pen command is applied but it will not work, and when we press the left click of the mouse, that time the cursor shape will change into close hand and it will work. Okay friends, and one most important thing, to exit of this command we have three methods to exit. First, by use of escape key. Second, press spacebar and enter. Basically, spacebar and enter we can use again taking the same command. Okay friends, and the third method is the right click of the mouse, and the option will come pen, zoom, 3D orbit. We can switch here another other command also, and we can use exit. Only simple method we will exit of this command. Thank you. Okay friends. And the third method to use this pen command is by use of navigation toolbar. In this in the navigation toolbar also works same like command var, yeah, command promote. Okay friends, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please like and subscribe my channel and share with your colleagues and your friends. Thank you. All the best.